Hi, welcome to Kyong's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. 안녕하세요. Today, this is one of my favorite and bring me a lot of homesick called vegan kimchi pancakes. Actually, in Korean we call bindae-떡. Bindae means flat, 떡 means cake. But this is a savory cake called pancakes. Let's go and start. First, you will need 1 cup unbleached white flours. In Korea, we only use unbleached white flours. However, I want to add some more nutrition, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons which is high in fiber. Also, antioxidant, vitamin E, and all kind of minerals in there. So it will make a wholesome. And I don't want you to use the whole wheat flour for this recipe because it doesn't taste same. I'm using 3/4 teaspoons Himalayas pink salt, which is very healthy salt, and 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flake, which is very high in B vitamins, also high in fiber and protein. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon aluminum-free baking powder and need water. Before we add water, I'm going to mix this first. Then add 1.5 cup water. It is raining outside. I had a window up there. In Korean, old saying, if raining, it's time to make a pancake. I don't know why. In Korea, kimchi is a staple food with rice. So we always have kimchi. So make a kimchi pancake. It's a thing over there. Okay? From here, mixing is done. I'm gonna add 1 cup kimchi chop. The other day I demonstrated vegan non-spicy kimchi on YouTube. So if you like to make my kimchi, go and click Kyong Weathersby non-spicy vegan kimchi. So kimchi is made with napa cabbage, and because of this, very high in fiber, antioxidant, and also high in B vitamins. And wonderful kimchi, it makes a probiotics and wonderful for your digestive system. When people had a couldn't digest, a lot of bloated problem, gas problem, eat some kimchi, non-spice one. And this is 3 green onion chop. And next one, you will need a half medium onion chop. And Korean, really traditional way, we don't add onions, but it brings wonderful flavor. Plus, now it's getting very cold, so a lot of people are suffering from cold and flu, and onion will help you build up immune systems. Next, you need a 1/4. The 1/4 of the 1 red bell pepper you need to chop. And mix it thoroughly. I'm gonna turn the heat on. And you will need about medium-high heat. This is so delicious. One time I make this one, I sat down and I ate 4 pieces. It was so delicious. And I was born and raised in Korea, Seoul, South Korea. So if you're watching from Seoul, South Korea, hello. And all my viewers, hello. When pan is getting hot, I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon oil. You need to be kind of generous in oil. And put 1 scoop. And spread out like a pancake. And we're gonna cook until both sides is nice and brown. I told my husband I am very happy to share this recipe called the vegan kimchi pancakes so I can enjoy it. And you can enjoy it too. So what I'm going to do, I will come back with the finished product because this needs to be turned over. Then I will tap it so you can see how well brown it is and delicious looking. So don't go away. Welcome back. Here is the finished product for you. Vegan kimchi pancake vendetta. Looks so good and tastes good, smells good. It's so easy to make at home and you can enjoy it, which is very high in antioxidant or probiotics. So thank you for watching. If you like to see the close-up photo, it will be at the end of the cooking show. And written recipe, click the description below the video. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.